Now, let's see how to work locally with Git. The git status command would let us know if something has changed inside Git repository. Right now, it's saying nothing to commit means nothing has been changed actually inside the directory. So, let's create a new file readme.md in current folder using touch command and display its contents using cat command. Right now, this file doesn't contain anything. Now, let's add some data to this file. For example, this is my first file using Visual Studio Code. Now, if we again cat command, the cat will display the data that we have just written. Now, Git asks Git status if there is something changed that you have noticed. Yes, it's saying to us that there is an untracked file. So, we'll add this file to staging area using git add readme.md and then ask Git status. Yes, it's saying changes to be commit in new file readme.md. Now let's finalize these changes using git commit and -m and a message to remember what this commit is about. Yeah, we have now made our first commit. Now git status is telling us nothing has been changed after last commit. Now, for the sake of more explanation, let's add some more stuff inside readme.md and see if the Git is actively tracking this file. Then save this file and cat the contents inside git bash. Yeah, the file has been modified. Let's see the git status command. It's saying the file has been modified, so you'll have to repeat the steps in order to commit the changes. So we'll use git add and then readme.md file. Then check the git status. Yes, the file has been ready to commit. And then to commit the changes, use -m switch with git commit and then add the message to remember what this commit is about. Now let's create a new text file with name as file1.txt and then add some random data into it. Now git status is saying that there is an untracked file. Now add a new text file named as file2.txt. I'm here to explain a concept, that's why I'm creating more files. Now add some random data into this file and then again use git status. Yeah, it's showing both of the files that has been untracked. To add all the files that are untracked to staging area at once, you can use git add and dot. That will recursively add all the files to the staging area. Now use git commit with -m and some message what this commit is about, and yes, we have successfully committed our changes. Now, to see the history of the versions of this project folder, use git log command to see the brief history of commits. You can see all the details of commits are being showing on the screen. To see the brief history of commits, use git log with one-liner, color and decorate switch, and you'll see nice and simple details of the history for all the commits.